Hi everyone, so today I'm doing my concert get ready with me makeup tutorial. This is the makeup I did to see Post Malone, aka why I'm wearing a Stony sweatshirt. He's amazing, don't even fight it. Anyway, so that was an amazing night. I wanted to record the night that I was going, but there were things going on in my house which I can't really explain. It was really loud, I couldn't film in here, there was just like a lot of things going on like construction wise, so I haven't been able to film because of that, and I had school and finals. But anyway, I am back and I will be uploading at least once a week. I mean that, at least once a week. Promise, pinky promise. So that's basically it. Short intro because I don't want to be annoying, and let's go. So to save time, I already primed my face with this Benefit POREfessional, the Pearl Primer, it's the Radiance one. And then I went in with a new foundation this time. This is by BeautyCounter, and it's called the Tint Skin, and it's a little more lightweight. It's kind of like a sheer foundation, but you can get it up to like a medium coverage. I'm wearing it now, and it's really natural looking. I set my skin with the It Bye Pores powder. I said in my last video that I really liked this powder, but actually, I don't think I like it. It looks good like all over the face, but under the eyes it kind of like takes away any of the brightness that is there from concealer. It doesn't leave the smoothest texture, so I don't really know. I have to figure that out, but it works. I did my eyebrows with this e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, and I know that's kind of crazy, and I've been using the color on the very end, so that's what I've been doing. I don't know, I ran out of an eyebrow pencil one day and I started using that as like a substitute, and I actually really like the way it looks. Today they're kind of harsh because I went crazy, but it looks a lot more natural for people who don't really have a lot of like eyebrow hair, I guess. It just looks a lot more natural and less drawn on. So anyway, now I'm just gonna do my eyes. I'm gonna prime them with my Urban Decay primer potion, like that. Then I'm just gonna go in with the Bye Pores powder again and just kind of like set it. You know the deal. So for my eyeshadow, I am using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's called Orange Soda, and I'm going in with a fluffy big shader type brush, and I'm just gonna put that all over my eye as a light transition color. Just like that, kind of just diffused. And then what I do is I go in with that same color and just kind of like bring it under my eye to match it with the outer shadow. So I just go under. Then I'm gonna go in with the one under it. It's called Burnt Orange, with the same brush, and I'm gonna take this and do kind of the same thing, but I'm gonna concentrate it more like in the crease area. So there's that. Then for all over the lid, I'm doing this shimmery bronze color. It's almost like metallic. And I'm just putting that all over the eyelid. And I'm using a flat shader brush for this, just all over the eyelid. And this is a very pigmented eyeshadow, so you don't need a lot. And it does have some fallout if you're not careful. Awesome, awesome. So then I'm just gonna go back in with this like fluffy one and kind of just blend that in a little better so that it's more seamless. Nothing crazy, I'm not adding anything new to the brush. I'm just kind of like diffusing it. So then I'm gonna go in, I don't know why my throat's like doing that. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a smaller blending brush. This is the MAC 217, and I'm gonna go into the color called Rustic. It's kind of like a milk chocolate brown, and I'm just gonna take that into the, like, right into the crease, and then I'm gonna go on the outer corner too, just to kind of deepen it up. I don't know who actually went to this concert that is watching this, but the guy that opened for Post Malone was really good. His name is Paris. That's just what he goes by, nothing else. Just Paris. So I didn't know who Paris was, but his performance was really good, and I don't know like how many people are into like almost like 2000s 90s like alternative, almost like that emo style of music, like Linkin Park and like Green Day, Three Doors Down, like stuff like that. He is very similar to that. It's still like rap, but it's more of like an influence with that in it. I really liked it because like lately I've really been listening to that music, and I was like, wow, I wish more people would do this in modern times, I guess. Like no one really makes that kind of music anymore, so the fact that he includes it with like hip hop and stuff like that mixed with alternative, it's really cool, and I think you guys should check it out. Obviously I'm not like partnered with Paris, but like you know what I mean. And obviously Post Malone was like amazing. This guy in front of me was like waving to him, and he waved and he was like looking at me and we made eye contact, so it's pretty official. Anyway, so I'm just kind of going in with this like fluffy brush again and blending out what I did to make it a little more seamless. Okay, so next I'm just going to go under my eyes and I'm going to use that burnt orange shade again. So I'm gonna go underneath my eyes right there, closer to the lash line than we did with the orange soda shade. Like I said before, just connect it to the outer smoke of the upper eyelid too, so that it's all seamless. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go back in with the really fluffy brush again and just blend out what we did so it looks seamless still and not too dark, because you don't want it to look like you got like punched. So then I am going in with the same brush. This is the one that comes with the palette, and I'm using the flat shader side, and I'm going in with Sienna, which is kind of a dark, almost red, like a burgundy brown, and I'm just gonna go under the eyes again, but like right next to the lash line. And I'm only going halfway in, so I'm not reaching the actual corner. I'm just going like right there. Okay. So now I'm going in with this IT Cosmetics. It's kind of like a shader eyeliner smudge type brush. And I'm gonna dip into Cypress Umber, which is a really dark brown mocha color. And I'm gonna go along the like lower lash line again, but like just in the eyelashes, if that makes sense. Like we're basically layering dark colors so that it looks like a gradient under your eye. And this is just gonna add like a nice definition and make your eyelashes look really full. It's kind of like eyeliner, but you're using eyeshadow. What I do is kind of like, I don't make a cat eye with it, but I put it in that direction just so it seems like kind of fades into the eyeshadow that we're gonna do, if that makes any sense. I mean the eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do some eyeliner and mascara, and I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash. I really like this actually. I stopped using the Urban Decay Troublemaker. This one I think is a lot better. For eyeliner, I finally got a new one. It is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. So anyway, I will be right back. All right, I'm back. Very different, obviously. So that is the eye look. And now I'm going to just do the rest of my face. I'm going to go in with the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. And I'm not gonna go crazy with this. I'm literally just gonna like bronze up my face. So guys, as I bronze my face, I wanted to talk about my little crystals. Obviously, I have a crystal jewelry business, and today I am wearing this one right here. This is Pink Opal. It is coming. It is not out yet, but it is coming, and I'm really excited about it. This type of opal, the one that I'm coming out with, this one is grade A, which is really good, and they're like super pink, really pretty, great quality. Like, I'm not just saying that because they're mine. They really are like very good quality. And also I have the Pink Opal bracelet, so that's what it looks like. And yeah, they're just like really pretty, and you can read about what powers they have on my website when it comes out, but I just wanted to show you guys a little sneak peek. So that is why I'm wearing them today, if anyone was curious what jewelry this is and where it's from and like what it is basically. I'm just really excited about it because I just like get, oh my god, that was way too much. I hate my life. I just get like really excited about the crystals. I really like, it is my hobby, but like, oh my god, I just hit pan on this. No. Yeah, anyway, I'll link my website down below for the crystals. I think we're tan now. Then for the nose, I do like to do a nose contour when I do my makeup just because it makes everything look more complete. I do contour differently now than I did in my last video. I used to take the brown and put it like down my nose, but now I just make lines. Okay, so I do that, blend it out. There's the cute little nose contour. It's getting really dark in here. I'm so sorry. It's like extremely cloudy outside. So for blush, I just used my NARS. I use the same blush pretty much every day. NARS Orgasm. Gotta love it. So I'm going in with that super pinky, peachy type blush right on the center of my cheek. All right, so then I'm just gonna highlight. So I'm using the Anastasia Glow Kit in Summer. This is just what I love. I've been really wanting the the Amrezy one, but I cannot find it anywhere, and I haven't like thought to online order it, so I'm just gonna go down the center of my nose. This is one of my favorite highlighting techniques, is like right down the nose in a straight line. And then on the tip. Might be a little intense actually. It's better. I'm just gonna go in the corners of my eyes, do it hella bright, and blend it into the eyeshadow too. Bright in the corner and then into the actual like eye look. A little on the brow bone. And then obviously on the cheeks, on the cheekbones. So there's that. And then a little on the actual like forehead right above the eyebrow arch. Just so that when you turn your head, you look very glowy and it kind of just like all blends together. Okay, so for lips, I just kept it very simple. The Colourpop Lippie stick in the color Brink. It's matte. Honestly, they have the best matte Lippie sticks because they are matte, but they're like very moisturizing in a way, but they don't look like, they still look matte. So I just really love them and they smell really good and they're $5. So like, how could you not? This color is the perfect nude and it's just like so comfortable. It feels like you're wearing chapstick. So let me apply that for you. Let me get in a little closer. So satisfying. Cute. Oh yeah, and we cannot forget setting spray. Yeah, so I got a new setting spray. I liked the Urban Decay one, but it just like didn't smell that good and I don't know, I just felt like trying something new. This is the GlamGlow GlowSetter makeup setting spray. It smells just like some of their products. I use their nighttime moisturizer and it smells just like that. It's like very tropical smelling and I just love it. So I've been really liking this setting spray, so let's just give it a go. And it has a very fine mist. Let's go. Smells so good. That was eventful. So this is the completed look for my Post Malone concert experience, aka the best night of my life. Very natural but glam, but still like a little dark. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, if you want to subscribe, but it's up to you, you know? It's up to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. We have hit 4,000 subscribers, which there's an ant on my mirror. Anyway, we've hit 4,000 subscribers. I want to say thank you so much for that. I really do appreciate it. I love YouTube and I'm really excited to make this like a full-time thing finally. Thank you guys so much and I'm really excited to keep making some more videos for you. So make sure you leave some suggestions down below and I'll talk to you soon.